Hello guys, welcome to dedicatedcore.com, and this is the most critical video we are going to cover because the mostly Windows users, that is Windows VPS or Windows dedicated server users, are asking us how we can able to prevent our system getting shut down or restart without any scheduled time. So mostly what happened, the system get updated, and due to updates the system auto restarted or getting shut down. To avoid all of these issues, we are going to come up with one solution. So maybe that solution helps you to avoid auto shutdown or prevent your server from getting restarted. So let's start. I will first log in into the server with the RDP. So I will go to the browser and type PreventTurnOff. So this is one of the application that we are going to explain in this video. So very first I will open this URL and download this particular application into this server. Very first I will highly recommend you to go through these settings. Okay, so you just pause the video and learn things. Very first we will download this application. So in this case I have already downloaded this application and installed here. I will open this application. So this application helps you to block standby, shutdown, or screensaver, or turn off monitor. So why we need these three options to be disabled? Because these options are causing our runtime applications or running application or trading or browsing experience, because these applications are stopping our execution of forex trading or any business related applications, like we are running a website for the e-commerce and all. That time if the system getting restarted or system getting shut down, so it might create a huge problem for you. To avoid this, we are using this application. Now it is already installed. You just have to install, click mark these three options and enable this option. Now further guide we will check from here. Okay, after that they are saying that you can able to click on exit or stop blocking, and second option, first do this, second do this, third do this. Okay, so to know more, just pause this video and read this documentation very carefully. Okay, now scroll down to the bottom and go to the options and start and click on start prevent turn off with Windows. So when we click on this option and click on start prevent off with Windows, that means whenever your system get restarted, this application will run from the backend to avoid auto restart or shutdown. Okay, I will click on this. After that I will scroll down the bottom and we'll see the another settings. So in this case you can able to see that these only two settings or three settings we can able to do with this application, and that's it. Our operating system will not restart or will not shut down unoccasionally. I will just close this application. Now you have question, if I close this application, how it will help you, because it is already running from the backend. No worry, because it is already running from the backend. Okay, now I will show you one demonstration. Click on here and click on shutdown. Okay, click on continue, and you can see that it is not allowing us to shut down because he is asking us to first close this application, then only we can able to restart. That means it is blocking the connection. Okay, same case with the restart. See this. Okay, so we can able to use this very simple application and unblock our restart or auto restart or shutdown options of the Windows.